and welcome everyone. Today we are playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2. So let's start. Okay. Let's see. What do I have to do? Oh, okay. It's starting. Press and hold space to use flashlight. Oh, okay.
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new improved Freddy
It's Balloon Boy.
I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here to help
What's
you get
this
started down this new and exciting career path. I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company.
Okay, everyone's
still kind of left
here.
to rot for quite a while, but
Light.
I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety.
Okay.
They spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility. They even let them walk around during the day.
Balloon Boy, bro. You're not going to get my batteries, okay?
They're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said,
okay, everyone's still here.
You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week, but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky you, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night, and even attempted to get into his office.
Balloon Boy here, everyone here.
That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working
what's
theory
this?
is that the robots never
Oh, it's okay.
So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go
Everyone
where the
is
people are.
here.
In this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about the robot thinking it was an endoskeleton without its costume.
Okay, they are here. What? Okay.
So, hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head.
Balloon Boy is still here. Oh, look, can do this.
Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design of the building.
Oh! Bunny's gone, Bunny's gone, Bunny's gone. Where is he? He's already here!
So don't worry about the place going dark.
Bro, they are all gone!
You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up, piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Chica, where are you? Oh my god, bro. What is this? Bonnie's still here. It's Mangle. Here, no one. Freddy! Freddy! Oh, like this toy, Freddy. I'm gonna kill him. Withered Bonnie! And Freddy. No one. Chica? No. It's 2 a.m. right now. Bonnie's gone. Stop it, you little... I put the mask on! How do you know? Custom night? What's this? I think this is like difficulty. Well, I don't want it to be difficult, so... No Balloon Boy, Mangle, no Toy Chica. Let's only put like the old animatronics. I mean, Toy Bunny, he's cool. Bunny's cool. We'll keep him. And Toy Freddy, get out of here. Mangle and Golden Freddy. Okay. 7th night. So here's Witter Bunny. This is Freddy. Where's Chica? Or Foxy? Think not here. What the? Huh? God, this Golden Freddy, bro. I hate you. And why did it look so lame though, like the jump scare? Night 1, 6th night. What? Hey, Chica! Freddy? And now Bonnie. I'm looking at you. Yeah. Continue. Bro. Oh my god, bro. What?
Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to...
Where's like Witter Chica?
The old locations, you know. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company.
These are the ones.
That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility, they even let them walk around during the day.
Okay.
That's neat. But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kinks. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his
Bro,
week,
how much more?
Conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So,
Mango is still here.
Mainly he expressed concern that certain
Well,
characters seem
Witter
to move around at
Bunny's
night.
here.
They even attempted to get
Wait,
into his
Freddy?
office. Now,
Yeah,
from what we
Freddy's
know, that
also
should be
here.
impossible. That restaurant should be the safest
These
place
three
on Earth.
are
While
here as
engineers
well.
don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is
Hear
that
anything?
the robots were never given a proper
No.
night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're
Okay.
in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office.
Okay,
So our
nothing.
temporary solution is this.
Wait, I gotta check Balloon Boy. Okay, he's here.
To be wound up remotely.
Mango here.
Every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and
Okay.
wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the
Bonnie and
animatronics,
Freddy
but it
are
does
here.
affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system. Something about the robot taking the endoskeleton without its costume
Here,
on.
nothing.
Stuff into the suit.
Nothing.
So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head.
How much? What? It's 1 a.m. and you're still talking.
We'll wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close.
Bro. Oh! Bonnie? Bonnie's here. I gotta check up on Puppet. Are you there? Freddy? Mango's here. Hey, Bonnie. Bonnie, where the heck are you? Chica! Hey. I hear the winds. I don't have any more power. This is very bad. Why are you still here? Chica, get the heck out of here. I don't want you. Where the heck is Bonnie? Freddy's still here.